What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to CryptoCoinKing, the only crypto channel that doesn't try to sell you guys anything. Let's get right into it. Today, we are covering Bitcoin. While a lot of people are just freaking out for these normal tips, we have one big piece of news to talk about. We're going to see why it's important for Bitcoin, and we will discuss the price action as well. If you're a crypto enthusiast and investor, consider subscribing. We're releasing a new crypto video every 3 days. On this channel, you will always find coins that I truly believe in. But most importantly, there will always be fundamental reasons behind every choice. I want to be clear with you. My end goal is to provide you with the best crypto guides and price analysis, always based on fundamental reasons and upcoming events. All right, before jumping into the main topic, let's take a quick look at Bitcoin's chart to understand its price action from a technical perspective. Last Saturday, buyers were unable to gain a foothold above the average price level, and the pair rolled back to the support of $36,000. On Sunday, the weak seller's onslaught continued until the Bitcoin price broke through the support, setting a weekly low of around $34,850. At the end of the week, buyers tried to restore the price and gain a foothold above the lilac support of $36,000. The volume of purchases was small, but tonight, the pair recovered to the area of average prices. 4 days in the green that included a 4.5% gain on Monday and a 4.3% rise on Thursday delivered the upside for the week. A 6% slide on Friday paired some of the gains, however. At the beginning of the week, one should expect an intensification of the bearish onslaught and a pullback of the Bitcoin price to the area of psychological support at $30,000. Bitcoin is trading at $34,000 at recording time. For the main topic of this video, we will go through the new TAPROOT update. So, what is TAPROOT? TAPROOT is a soft fork network upgrade for Bitcoin that improves privacy and adds complex transactions through the use of soar signatures, which is an alternative to the currently utilized signature method. If you don't know what a soft fork is, well, it's a change to the software protocol where only previously valid transaction blocks are made invalid. Because old nodes will recognize the new blocks as valid, a soft fork is backwards compatible. This kind of fork requires only a majority of the miners upgrading to enforce the new rules, as opposed to a hard fork that requires all nodes to upgrade and agree on the new version. Anyway, the upgrade opens the door for identity obfuscation by combining multiple signatures and transactions into a single one, effectively introducing multi-signature and multi-input transactions that are cheaper, easier, and more efficient. What this means is that a transaction can use multiple features and functions, all while not disclosing its real form to other network participants. A peer-to-peer transaction, smart transaction, or even a Lightning Network transaction will all look the same on blockchain explorers after TAPROOT comes online. TAPROOT also helps with scalability by reducing transaction space by at least 20%. We could potentially see even more savings if a majority of transactions use multi-signatures. It's worth noting that by aiding network congestion, the upgrade brings higher transaction throughput and considerably smaller fees. In a period where fees cost anywhere from $20 to $60, any scalability upgrade helps. Without TAPROOT, anyone can detect transactions that use those complex functionalities, which require the creation of multiple transactions. However, the TAPROOT upgrade will make it possible to cloak all the moving parts of a Bitcoin transaction that includes these features. So, even if the transactions adopt those features, they will look like a single transactions. This is a big win for Bitcoin privacy advocates. Bitcoin core developer Greg Maxwell unveiled TAPROOT for the first time in January 2018, and 2 years later, it was added to the Bitcoin core library. As of May 2021, miners can finally vote on the upgrade by sending special data in blocks called signal bits during a new difficulty adjustment period. In the case that 90% of blocks during this period include the signal, TAPROOT will be activated in November this year. If miners do not reach the threshold by August, the soft fork will fail and developers will have to revise TAPROOT again. However, this is highly unlikely to happen as the upgrade is not controversial. The mining community has also pledged its support, and several members from prominent mining pools have disclosed that their members are not opposed to TAPROOT. Its implementation mainly relies on the use of Schnorr signatures, a cryptographic signature scheme created by a German cryptographer named Klaus Schnorr. Although Satoshi Nakamoto had the chance to use Schnorr signatures when creating Bitcoin, he decided to instead opt for the ECDSA or elliptical curve digital signature algorithm. Nakamoto claimed to have decided since ECDSA is more secure and was widely used at the time. However, ECDSA lacks the characteristics needed to create complex transactions that are fast, efficient, and anonymous, which is why today's Bitcoin core developers work on Taproot. The biggest advantage of Schnorr signatures is that they can use multiple signatures inside a complex Bitcoin transaction to create a single signature. That way, numerous signatures are aggregated into a Schnorr signature, which does not reveal its inner contents. And as previously mentioned, the transactions can be based on either Lightning Network or smart contracts, and other users won't be able to tell the difference. Coming to the end, guys, we know that with the upcoming Taproot upgrade, which will do all the mentioned things, Bitcoin has even more, a lot of room to grow, especially now that more and more people are realizing how big, useful, and secure the entire project is. Also, the team is on time. They're always working hard to deliver everything as planned. All in all, the Taproot is an upgrade that is too big to fail. Miners support it, developers love it, and investors can't wait for its final launch. Despite having a high consensus rate of 90%, blockchain experts are confident that the software will reach the required signal block rate by the end of August, after which Taproot will launch in November. It's safe to say we don't necessarily have to track Taproot's progress, that it's likely to succeed. But for anyone interested in monitoring the upgrade in real time, we recommend visiting taproot.watch, a platform that tracks Taproot's block signaling status. If you're a Bitcoin holder, write a bullish comment down below. Like the video if I have earned it, and if you want more and more people to be aware of what is coming for Bitcoin. Because we need to go in deep to understand what's happening. And if you understand what's happening, which I hope you do know after watching this video, we all know that the future is bright and positive. As always, my end goal is to build a healthy community where we can share our ideas and learn together. Have a great day. See you next.